Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze your screen on Google Meet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you'd like to freeze your screen so that the other person that has joined into your meeting won't be able to see your activity for a while on Google Meet, then you'll be able to do this in a few simple steps. The first thing you'll need to do is to add an extension on your web browser. Open up a web browser. Now go ahead and add an extension first. In my case, I've already added the extension. If you'd like to do so, then you'll need to go ahead and search for Chrome Web Store in the address bar. In the search results displayed on the next page, click on this Chrome Web Store link, which will take you to chrome.google.com. In the search box at the upper left, type in Google Meet Effects. Once you search for that, you'll be able to see the extension displayed on the next page. Click on this Visual Effect for Google Meet option, and on the next page, click on Add to Chrome in order to add the extension. In the pop-up, select Add Extension, wait for a few seconds, and your extension will be added. Now, go to meet.google.com in the web address bar. Go ahead and sign into your Google account to end up in this page. Click on New Meeting to start off a new meeting. From the pop-up, select Start an Instant Meeting in order to join into a meeting right away. Now, once you end up in the camera screen of your meeting and your meeting has been started, if you don't want to let people see your activity from the camera with the help of the camera, then you can go ahead and mouse over to the left-hand side. Soon after you add in your extension, this box will appear. Scroll all the way down until you see the freeze option. Click it on, and you'll be able to see your camera freeze. As you can see that there is no movement in my camera screen whatsoever. That is how you'll be able to freeze your screen. Now, if you'd like to unfreeze it back, go to the box again and then click on the same box, and your camera now will be unfreezed. That is how you'll be able to freeze your screen on Google Meet while in a meeting. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.